Hey guys, it's Jeff, and here we have an accessory for the iMac Pro which I think is a must-have for all creators. Let's take a look. This video was sponsored by PureVPN. Check them out in the link in the description below. So here we have the Satechi Type C Clamp Pro. This is basically a dock, but it does connect to your iMac onto the actual body of the iMac for a very seamless look. In recognition to the iMac Pro, they made it in a matching color that is space gray, and since we just got ours, we thought that this would be a much needed accessory for the iMac Pro. The USB-C cable here plugs into one of the back 4 USB-C ports on the rear of the iMac Pro, and on the front here we have 3 USB 3 ports which will be operating at a max transfer rate of 5 gigabytes per second. There is also a Type-C to replace the port that you took up on your iMac, and we also have the SD and microSD card slots. To me, these are the most important as it's just a bit difficult to reach the SD card slot on the rear of basically any iMac, and also you can use the microSD without an adapter. Before I forget, I just wanted to mention that the installation of this device is actually quite easy, as you just line up the slots with the vents on the bottom of the iMac and then start scrolling this wheel to have it clamp down. It's definitely easy to install and really not a hassle to work with, so thumbs up to Satechi for making this product very easy to work with. So guys, there you go. This basically expands your USB connectivity while adding the ease of use to SD and micro SD card slots. This device will definitely make things easier when connecting any devices in the front, and hopefully it will make your experience of the iMac Pro or iMac a lot better. Right now they are priced at $49.99 and this color is available for pre-order, so I'll have a link below where you can check it out. So thank you all for watching. If you like this video, definitely throw us a like and also comment down below if this would be helpful for your workflow. We look forward to seeing you in our next video, but until then, check out some of our other content as well. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.